Hello, welcome. My name is 𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃. In this video, I want to show you how to load money inside your 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀 USD Visa virtual card. Right now, I'm going to load $40 inside the 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀 USD virtual card so that you see exactly how it is done. I will do it live in the video. So if you don't know how to do it, stick around. I will log inside my 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀 application right now and fund $40 live, so that because but my India client is waiting for me on WhatsApp, and he's going to use the virtual card to make payments on the website that he wanted to make payments on. So right now, this is a 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀 app. So I open it. You can see it on the screen right now. So this is 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀. So let me view it on full screen like this so that you see it well. So this is 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀. So all you have to do to fund money, to load money inside your 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 virtual Visa card is first you need to click here. As you can see here, wallet. I have up to 33,816 naira.69 kobo. So you need to load money inside your 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 NGN wallet from your other bank like First Bank, UBA, GT Bank, other bank, any other bank, and once you load money inside it, the money will appear here. So once you click on wallet, you will see your account number. So this is the account number that I copied to my other bank. In this case, Kuda Bank. I transferred money from my Kuda Bank to this my account number. Nine Payment Service Bank is the bank name, and I copied the account number like this. And I transferred, as you can see, 32,000 naira just this morning for my Kuda Bank. So after funding your wallet, what you have to do is to click on cards. As you can see here, cards. Click on cards. That will be two sessions of cards. The first one is the NGN card, and the one we are interested in is the USD card. So right now I have current balance of 0.15 cents. That is 0.15 USD. But I'm going to load $40 right now inside this card. So what I have to do is to click on add funds from cheaper wallets. I click on it, and what I have to do is to enter 32,010 naira. I think this is 32,100 naira. 10 naira. So this is $40. 32,010 naira is equivalent to 40 USD. So I already have 33,000 here in my account balance, and it is enough to cover this. So for the rate, you can check out the rates. So I will not check the rate now, but you can check it out by using your calculator. So right now, what I have to do is to click on this add funds, and $40 will be funded, and my account balance will be $40.15, which is left inside my card. I click on add funds. Let's watch it. This is in real time, guys. Watch is how to fund 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 USD Visa card. Boom! You have added $40 to your 𝗀𝗶 Visa USD card. As you can see, 32,110 naira has been resulted from your 𝗀𝗶 wallet. So once I click on done, you will see that 40.15 USD is now on my current balance. So what I have to do is to reach out to my clients from India waiting for me on WhatsApp for me to fund this card for him. So this is exactly how to fund your 𝗀𝗶 USD Visa virtual card. You can use this card to shop on AliExpress. You can use it to pay on eBay. You can use it to pay on Amazon. You can use it to run Facebook ads. You can use it to do pretty much many things. You can use it to top up your Namecheap account easily. So if you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a like, and subscribe to my channel to get future videos relating to virtual card, relating to how to make money online, and the useful tools that will help you to succeed in your online business. So if I click on here home now, you will see that my account balance now remain 1,806, and you can see here $40 has been funded, and you can see here today 10:45 a.m. funding card ends in 638. So this is exactly how to fund your 𝗀𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 USD Visa virtual card. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And most importantly, go to the comment section and let me know how valuable this video is to you. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I release my future video, you will get notified about it. Thank you.